everybody! I'm here today to tell you that most drivers don't do this before driving, but they absolutely should. This is something that unfortunately most drivers don't do before they start driving, but they should. It is crucial, it is critical, it is unbelievably necessary in order to have a safe drive, in order to ensure that you're gonna have a safe drive. Let's get right into the video. I'm gonna tell you what it is, then I'm gonna tell you why it's so important, okay? Very simple, it is called a 360 check. Now, it is basically what you probably think that it is. It is a check 360 degrees around the car, and it is crucial to do this before driving, and I'll tell you why. So, when you get in the car and you start driving, you can see out the windows and the windshields. However, there is a whole lower half of the car that you can't see. So I can't see directly beside my passenger side. I can't even see directly beside my driver's side. I can see slightly close to it, but I can't see what's right over here beside my door. Sure, I see it when I open the door. But I can't say the same thing about my passenger side. I didn't go and open my passenger door, so I don't know what's there. I also don't know what's behind my car, what's directly in front of my car. With regards to a curb stop in a parking lot, maybe there's a person sitting on the curb right beside my car that I didn't see. Maybe they have headphones on so they can't hear my car starting, and then that's dangerous for them because I'm driving without knowing that they're there. Maybe there's a rock that I'm gonna run over if I don't see. So here's what you have to do in order to do this 360 check. It takes less than probably 5 seconds if you do it properly. You literally go up to your car and you walk all around your car, and you're looking around your car, like on the ground around your car and in the area around your car, and also on your car itself. You're looking for any obstructions, any people, anything that you should know about. Rocks, poles, posts, people sitting on things close to you, glass on the floor, nails that might puncture your tires. Like, just a quick look. And then also you're looking at the car itself. Are there any dents, dings, or damages that you didn't know about before? Because I'll tell you what, I personally know someone. I'll tell you the truth. Listen, it's my sister, okay? Hopefully she might be watching this. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna say which sister. I won't go that far. But one of my sisters, I have 2 sisters. One of my sisters came to her car and she saw a dent on the passenger side, and she hadn't been walked on the passenger side in like weeks for the most part. She just got into the driver's seat, drove, and got out of the driver's seat. Went to the trunk. She never really went to the passenger side. So she did not know when that dent got there, when that damage got there. It could have been there for weeks. She has no clue. She doesn't know which store to ask for the videotape of because she's been to so many places in those weeks. So, like, by doing this, you can narrow down when the damage happened. Number one, that's good for insurance purposes and catching, hopefully, the person who did that to your car. And number two, it's just good to know because you know when to fix it. I mean, like, literally, a dent can be on your car long enough without you noticing that it can start to form rust. So, like, if there's paint chips on your car and it's on there long enough without you noticing, rust is going to form and, like, boom. Now it's no longer just putting on some paint and a clear coat. Now it's a rust removal job. Like, totally different. So, it takes 5 to 10 seconds to do a 360 check. And it is 1000% absolutely worth it to do it. So make sure before you drive, you do a 360 check. And like I said, most drivers don't do this, but honestly, they absolutely should. It takes 10, like let's say you get in your car 5 times a day, 10 seconds each time. That's less than a minute of your life every day. Less than a minute of your life every day to totally make a difference in the level of safety and knowledge of your car while you're driving. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.